Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Insider program on Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to get the latest updates and insights into preview builds from Microsoft, then you will need to have enabled the Insider program on your PC. So simply click on the search box and type in update. From the search results, click on check for updates. And now within the Windows Update page, you will see the Windows Insider Program button. Go ahead and click on it, and this will open up the Insider Program menu. If you have turned off optional diagnostic data, then you will be asked to turn this on first. So click on Open Diagnostics and Feedback, and then click on the toggle in order to send optional diagnostic data. After this, you can go back to the Windows Insider Program menu, and now you can click on Get Started in order to join the Insider Program right away. You will now be asked to link your account. Click on Link an Account and then choose the Microsoft account that you wish to link with this program. After reading the license agreements and the privacy policy, you can click on the Continue button and proceed forward with the given steps. You will then be asked to choose your Insider channel. Read carefully about each of these channels and then choose the one that you wish to use. Then click on Continue and agree with the terms and conditions once again. You will then be asked to restart your PC. You can restart it right now or restart later, depending upon your choice. And now the next time that you restart your PC, the Insider Edition will begin to download and update on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to join the Windows Insider program. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.